Well, the fact that I'm sitting here at 6:30 in the morning with coffee, that should answer your question. But if you still need to figure it out, watch this. 4:55 in the morning, and I am starving. So I'm just going to whip myself up a quick little snack. Well, breakfast really. But I'm going back to bed afterwards. I'm not staying up for a while. Pan of water. I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna put it on high. Thought you guys might want to see this. I'm gonna have one of these boxes of Chester Cheetah. Do not look directly at the cheese, okay? I'll show you the cheese. Just you're warned, okay? And believe me, I'm not gonna do anything in editing or anything like that, or DaVinci or anything like that to change the color. Trust me, you gotta buy yourself a box of this and look at it yourself because it is. So that's our teaser right there. You can't see through the package, so that's our teaser for this video. So always be very careful when opening these tins because they're sharp as anything. Don't put your fingers over the edge like that because you definitely will take off your fingerprints and it will hurt for a couple of weeks. Of course, if you're going to do a job and you want to take off your fingerprints, just slide your fingers right down the side of that can. I guarantee it will work. I know, it's kind of dark for this video. I realize that, guys. I have a blown light right here. And I don't have any light bulbs, not till Friday. So, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I got a guest coming to do a show on Thursday, my friend Lindsay. Ah! Okay, well, at least I get to show you a trick. If you end up doing what I just did and having it go off kilter, that's why I keep a pair of needle nose pliers in my kitchen. Another reason why I keep needle nose pliers in my kitchen is because I get wild meat sometimes, and I've had to pull a few bullets out of a few roasts. So, okay, and that for Chef's Treat. And this I'll have tomorrow for lunch. So I'm just going to stick it in the fridge the way it is. Yeah, I had some of that Canadian apple cobbler yesterday. Well, last night after it was made, I had a big piece of it. Well, if you watch the video, you can see me chow down on it. The thing is, it was so loaded with sugar. I shouldn't have, but I went and took a nap. And I passed right out. So, I'm going to cut that in half. And throw that all right into boiling water. with all that nice jelly goodness. Now, this is not my mac and cheese recipe because I don't have time to do my mac and cheese. Well, I don't want to take the time to do my mac and cheese recipe right now. I'm hungry. Um, but I will be doing a real mac and cheese recipe. Probably in black and white because it was my grandmother's recipe, and it's really, really good. And it's mac and cheese on a budget. It's done with cooking milk. And to tell you the truth, in mac and cheese, cooking milk tastes better than real milk. So we're almost done here, guys. If you're cooking yourself a midnight snack, try and have something that you can snack on while it's cooking. So that for sure you don't like grab it before it's done. I don't know about you, but when I need a midnight snack, I'm ravenous. I really need to eat. I really need to eat now. Most of this is going to boil away, but I'm going to add it now. That I don't want it to be too powerful. It's garlic powder and onion powder. And yeah, I realize I'm using my old cell phone camera. I don't really have my good camera set up. And there we go. We got a nice boil going. I only needed half a cut of cheese or half a cut of butter for something, so I'll take the other half now. Put this one in the water. Make sure there's nothing else. Then save this one for when it's ready to mix it in. Now, what's that for, you ask? Well, I forgot that I'm all out of cooking milk, so I'm going to have to make a cup with this water. I mean, I could just stick a cup of water in the microwave here and heat it up and it'll probably be done quicker. But since the cooking milk is going right back into this particular recipe or this snack, I'd rather. Oh, it smells so good, especially since I put the onion and garlic salt in there. Oh my god. But since it's going back right into this snack, I'd rather have it so that I don't know. Is that camera so you can see over this way at all? That's a little better, I think. Hey. Two. And that's way more than four, but it's good enough. I'm hungry. You know what? We'll throw butter in there too. Everything melts together. Sounds good. No, it needs another few minutes, guys. Not still hard. I was going to use a bowl, but I'll use a plate. My powder, my flour over here. Thickening agent. Remember what I said about having a snack? If I didn't have that piece of meat that I ate, I'd pull this out right now and eat it al dente, like way al dente. I'm going to give it another 2 minutes, guys. I'll fast forward. Okay, let's try the pasta. Pasta's done, nice and chewy, not hard in the center. Doesn't have that doughy flavor it does when it's not done yet. So, make our cooking milk. Okay. I'll get that later. Let's drain that a little more. I got a strainer right over there, but I don't use it as it's not that like a big pot with no handles. I can't. It's not like I can't handle it. I can drain it and strain it slowly. Okay, there we go. That's ready for our cooking milk. Pour that right in like that. Nothing in the cup, so that's good. We got it all mixed together. And now, butter, extra butter. Now what you've been waiting for, the Chester cheese. You know what, I'm going to put it in a bowl so you guys, before it hits the milk so it doesn't change color. So you guys can see it. And I'll pour it over here. Oh, it's dark in here, so it looks red. Okay. Damn it. Usually when the light's on, it's a lot brighter than that. I'm sorry for the anticlimactic, but let's bring it up here under the light. So that's your Chester cheese, cheetah cheese. I mean, it's like day glow orange. It's almost red. I ordered a mortar pesto and I haven't got it yet. I don't know where it went to. Now I'm just gonna let that thicken for a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video again. I'm gonna let that thicken for a bit, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just turned off the stove. I'm not gonna wait for this. I'm too hungry. So I know it's cooked. I know it's ready. It just got to reduce. So my next plateful, I'll reduce. So I just want to make sure you can see that plate. So okay, hey guys, no, I'm not gonna wait. I need to reduce some more. As you can see, it's still pretty watery. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my snack, and I'll save some for later. There's just something very wrong about that color. Yeah. Well, let's see if we can help it out a little bit here. And the rest can just go in here. And I got coffee going over here as well, so nice. I guess I'm up for the day. So, once again, um, here, here is a whisk for those who like to whisk. Here's a spaghetti grabber for those who like to grab spaghetti. And here's a wooden spoon for all the grandmas. I am the anti-chef. Goodbye. Goodbye. Anybody Canadian will get that. Hey guys, I just wanted to say I forgot to mention you have value, you have worth, and you deserve a place in this world. So find that one thing that's going to get you out of bed in the morning, whether it be food or whatever, and stick to it. And don't let anybody tell you different. Take care, guys. I'm pulling for you, and see you in the next video. Okay? Okay. Weird pasta. Weird pasta. So good though.